What you feeling? What a rushy flight and nearly run late. Big up on yourself. Welcome back to Rashi and Wally Vlogs. As you know, we're there in the US of A. You know, me and the family take a road trip. I will drive to USA. Now we have to go home. It's a sad moment, but guess what? It is what it is. We have to go home. We have work to go. We have important things to do. We have bills to pay. This was quite an experience, though. I must say, I'm nothing alike, guys. But we beat out.
Good beat out though.
Beat out, guys. May I tell you, so we drive. May I tell you, all over the place.
All over the place.
So my eye them tired, I have to draw for my glasses, guys. Trust me. So you don't know, stay tuned. We're gonna bring you guys along, and we're heading back to Canada. You understand what I say? The land of the cleanliness and the niceness and
neat and fine.
Neat and fine. Look a bit boring still, to be honest, but we'll go back home.
And you know the GTA, you say boring?
Yeah, look a bit boring for sure. Trust me. But, you know, watch what going on, alright, guys? Who's that lady there?
Me, man, Rashi.
Me, man, Nigel.
Guys, I'm exhausted.
Tired?
Yeah, we're up and about, as you see, all around. Some things could be caught on camera, but I really have a good time. I had a good time, and I'm happy that I saw my family and friends. We wish we could have seen more, because German have like a ton of people to see, but it just can't make in 2 days.
You guys just see that? He's a good husband, you know, makes you say wholly pair of people.
Excellent husband, you know. But
yeah. Most of my people they are Massachusetts and so on. And few in New York, never get a chance to look for them, but you don't know.
Yeah.
We look for some people.
And guys, the toll over here, ridiculous.
Yeah, the toll situation, you're going to New York, in and out, you pay toll. Them flash my license plate till me week. So I know me have a bill for getting out the mail. You know them way them have a big bill, but it is what it is. Hope the bill not too big. And
right, it look like I leave my power bank over my uncle's house, but I'm gonna see.
Yeah. But you get stuff still, so you can left something.
Guys, I get one of goodies.
Yeah.
Big up my family there, my family. I like my family, big up on the
Yeah, man. Tired and mash up though.
Yeah, as you see. But we try to bathe and keep clean and fresh. But you see in the eyes them, so we're tired.
Tired?
Yeah.
For real, I have to put on my glasses. Tired, guys.
We should could have stayed even 2 weeks. 2 days is just not enough.
Or a week would have been sufficient.
Yeah, for the most
but 2 days.
Because we don't want to do a lot more. And some of the places that we plan to go, it just can't make.
For real.
You know? But all in all, we really enjoy ourselves. I'm not telling a lie. US really nice. And New York really nice. I get to learn a lot of places in New York now. Really
yeah, the
nice.
first time we go to New York and so on.
Yeah, them have different places. Them really nice. But I live over here. Nobody can file for me. But I live over here.
For real, I give up the grade Canada? That's that.
Yeah, them I don't want to go to Canada nice and clean. And guys, stay tuned for that video. I'm going to make mention of some down over here.
Thumbs down.
Some thumbs down.
And thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
And relate them to Canada.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you
for
see
real.
some things where Canada, we not go and run yourself.
They are going good. Yeah, Canada are going good.
Yeah.
And some things with Canada lacking.
And some things that Canada lacking.
Yeah, for real.
I'm going to share that with you guys.
For real. So guys, here before we go home, we have to grab with nutmeg bread or nutmeg bread. Alright, favorite bread, it's really nice. Gonna make a quick stop. And we're gonna stop at Dunkin Donuts, so don't it?
Yeah, cause in US every corner you see a Dunkin Donuts. So I'm assuming it's the equivalent to Tim Hortons. So we're gonna try it before we go across.
Yeah, we're gonna see what them have in a Dunkin Donuts. But before that, we'll just stop and get the bread, and then we're on our way to Canada.
You're gonna stop in Connecticut further.
Oh, sorry, we're gonna stop in Waterbury, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look for your good friend. Oh, that way to New Haven. Remember we got New Haven on party 2018?
Yeah. Nice.
That party was big fight broke out tonight, dance. Is it man a mash back in a man's head?
You want to see Russia take with herself? You Jeremy have a whole hand. Send her around.
Yeah guys, my vibes kinda come up a bit now, you know, me I head in a, what's this? Bazaar supermarket. Alright, so guys, see what I go on here? You see them? Nutmeg bread. One of the best breads, right?
Yeah.
Especially breakfast with some egg and some sausages and so on. Oh yeah, this with some ackee. Go ahead. Take a good look guys. Nutmeg bread. Them nice, like super nice. How much you grab? 2? You think that's enough, right?
Yeah,
okay, we already have 1. Alright guys, so we get the favorite item now. Can you imagine? Bread is your favorite item from the US, no? Why you like more than bread?
I will grab this for the trip. We'll grab this for the trip.
Grab some nutriment?
Yeah. Watch them have salad and
Mrs. Shoppy Lily. Yo, Shoppy Lily.
Yeah, you want the pepper one?
Yeah. Some little snacks, you know. That's for the road trip.
Yes, this is for the road
some
trip.
Some Nutrimen and some banana chips.
Yeah.
And plus you stop at Dunkin Donuts.
Yeah, come here for some plate.
Okay, look at 3-course meal. Anyhow guys, we're gonna cash out. Guys, can you imagine? $6 for the bread. Expensive, but man, I tell you, very tasty. Guys, a big problem with the tapping system over here. It's not going good. Hold the camera for me while I fix. Alright, so you take me 20 all eh?
Please wait. System processing.
Rotted. You see that guys? You get me UF change out this stuff. Not bad still. Yeah, but I don't know why
Please remember to take your receipt and all of your change. Thank you.
Right,
please remove all bagged items.
Alright guys, that's it for now.
So guys, we're back in the car. Just came out of Food Bazaar. That's where you get the nutmeg bread for those who are in Connecticut or nearby. And I've never had that bread. It's really nice. We're gonna have it with ackee and saltfish. You know, we get 3 packs of it, but it's very pricey though. How much for the bread?
$6 for one bread.
$6 something for one bread.
Yeah,
so
expensive.
And guys, you don't need to stay tuned for the review video. You see how much time I tell you now? We had a lot of experiences and we really want to share it with you guys. So no need to stay tuned for those videos. Not true, Jeremy?
True word.
Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to Dunkin Donuts. Want to sample that. Almost every time I drive past I see Dunkin Donuts.
Every few miles.
Yeah, a few miles. So it's similar to our Tim Hortons, so I want to experience it. So just stay tuned for that review. So guys, you see where I'm heading? The Mr. Dunkin.
Your destination is on the left.
Dunkin Donuts.
Them have drive-through. Oh, you want to go and go look?
Yeah, man, I'm going to work for it.
So guys, I'm behind the camera now. You see my shorts? I'm gonna hold my hands up high this time. Yes.
Try setting up it up. Got the good stuff. Got the good stuff, guys. The place warm. I can't believe this is October. The place feel like end of August in Canada.
So report now. What's the temperature?
It's like 18 degrees, 18 degrees. Feel like 23 though.
Okay.
It's actually like 25, but it's 18 degrees.
Because I'm actually feeling the sun.
Yeah, the sun has shine. Like really shine.
Plus you're feeling heat too.
Right now,
but cool breeze, yeah.
Huh?
Little cool breeze, but
yeah,
heat.
Man.
Bye Connecticut, number 17. I'll see you next time.
Yeah, guys. So this tastes close to Tim Hortons, but it little. You taste the coffee stronger in it.
It kind of bitrish for me. I don't like the coffee that's strong then.
Yeah, but it tastes nice. A different flavor. So I would alternate them. 2 of them nice. But this have a little bitterish taste in the background.
How about the cream, yeah?
It is just as creamy. It's just like nice. So Guys, variety is the best part of life. You get to choose different stuff.
Not all the time.
And all the time. Guys, you love one thing every time. Me like change up stuff. I just be one thing she want to do over and over. But me will try new stuff. Jay don't know that as well. I must sleep. But guys, anyhow, we are doing too much stuff. A time to leave or we are running late. And we don't want night. Look how we look tired, man. We beat out, guys.
No.
But anyhow.
Yeah, man.
Let me just say this, because I want me to people them know what I'm going. I say, this is a man here, real general. This is my uncle. This is my mother brother. This is a man here, make me enjoy my first trip in a foreign.
Yeah, man, I will talk.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
Georgie, this is my uncle,
Yeah, man.
good uncle.
Dapper this, yeah, man. Dapper
Uncle
this,
Georgie, aka Pang.
Why you listen to me doing now? You know that day a long time, but I'm running.
Yeah. This
I
is
really
me.
love, you know.
This is my real uncle,
Yeah,
guys,
man.
and
I
trust
love,
me.
man. I love.
Them time, them, from what, 2008. First time I come to America,
I
2008.
do, man.
I mean, I tell them I have a good experience. Connecticut, New York, all
Everywhere.
all Massachusetts, we
Yeah,
drive
man.
to.
Yeah, man.
So guys, we can't left without to see my uncle. He might go on the work now still. So yesterday I'm well fresh, but don't understand.
Who know him know say a freshman?
Who know say this a man that clean
No
every
matter what
day.
them say, but I will fair.
Yeah, man.
I will make a work clean, my fair.
Yeah, man.
You see?
Yeah, man. He give me some party to go up on the road still, you know?
And light, like your mother one. And light.
Oh, them money on light, man.
Yeah,
Kind.
Yeah,
Kind.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes I have to tell him, say, me no want it.
Them good. I too, man. They embarrass me that way they too.
Yeah, man. Me say me no want it, man. This is uncle, yeah. Sometimes I go around him afraid because I want to give me something and I say, yo, uncle, me no want nothing.
Yeah, I will clean.
But me I tell them, man, I bring me around all over in a Connecticut.
Be a ganja me bun too. Love.
Real man. Me I tell you guys,
Yeah,
the
man.
man
Be a
here,
ganja me bun, brother.
general, when me I tell you general, me I tell you everybody that want an uncle like this.
Mm-hmm.
Me I
I
tell
will
you,
talk, man.
and me tell my cousin say, yo, when me get rich, me can't live out them money. No
Real
time.
talk, you know.
No time.
We up, man. We up. We bless our up, you
No
know.
time. You hear me
I
say,
will
guys?
stay strong.
When you get rich, you can't live out this money.
Yeah,
No
man. We
time.
stay strong, baby, you know.
Yeah, man.
Brother,
You say a word.
I'm going to have a safe trip, you know.
Yeah, man. You say a word, man.
Travel home with the wife here and your son. You
Yeah,
know
man.
that.
You say a word, man.
And enough love every time, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know that, you
Yeah,
know.
man. We know that, man. You know
No
that,
matter
man.
where you there, you know, no matter
true,
because you may not hear sometimes and love me the
That's
same
true, man.
way, you know.
Sometimes now answer phone, me just stop calling. I'm too busy. The
up
man
with
a
them,
phone
man.
ring like
Yeah,
Clockwork.
yeah, with flags, man. You know.
sometimes me I call him and me not get him. I say me I stop calling man there, man. But me I tell
the
you,
plan, you know.
general, real general. If me not see me in 5 years, trust me, that's good.
You have to me, man. Because I love, you know, I only hear me, I love.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Love.
Real Westmoreland
Yeah,
man this.
That's what you do.
Yeah, man. Clean art.
Yeah, man, that's what you do.
Big up Pang for Westmoreland. Guys, you don't know we're there on a rush. 'Cause
Movement and tradition.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You will see me soon.
Yeah. Mummy,
Alright, uncle.
love, yeah.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Big up.
You which one?
Spinach patty and the vegetable.
Spinach and vegetable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two different ones.
Two different ones.
Yeah, just 2 years, me never get more, you know.
Alright, let's see a word, man. That's
Yeah,
at least, man. Me go there about. Me not take so long to come back.
Nothing, man. Enough love, yeah.
Cool.
Alright, uncle,
Alright.
please. Big up yourself.
Boston. Oh,
Yeah,
Boston.
so when you come up here,
you see
you-
Boston, me know that for sure Boston get hit heavy. Me pass through Boston already on Christmas. And
Yeah.
I tell you. Snow.
Anytime I see they say Boston like getting a storm, I'm like, oh God, we next.
Yeah,
Because you will see, we got all these hills. You will see it.
yeah. Because you know
Because
why?
it
Because
is
you're further
very
up
hilly.
north. You're further up north.
Right. Yeah.
You're further up north.
People always be like, they ain't going in the bush.
Yeah, so here they
That's
call it
a
Waterbury
bush.
Bush.
Mm-hmm. Bush. Cut down the cover about nothing. Come on, man.
Rashida called Monica.
No, why? Don't don't you usually have a car in Jamaica? What is the difference?
Right?
And drive the highway too.
Yeah.
What's the
So
difference?
drive the car. She said, oh,
Is that
we
the
want to drive the car.
How much lane up to Portmore? Not 3 lane or 2 lane.
Small road, I should have drive on a Jamaica for years. So they may have big road, so she more than can drive on it.
Of course. But what I'm saying, don't you drive the highway at Jamaica?
Yeah, fast too. The first time Rashida started driving fast with me at Jamaica road in 2017, 18. Me I say, yo, me feel uncomfortable. But me I tell her she drive really good after a while till sometime I come from work and me and man to take check. And me actually lean back my seat and I relax. And Rashida really...
That means that she means good.
Yeah man, cause she knows I'm not take check any at all. But the way me see she perform,
No, sir.
me just relax. Me just relax and make she do
She
it.
means back out confident.
She started driving and me drive with her till she feel comfortable. And then she just start drive the car with her own because you have a license from 2020, 2021.
Right.
Sit down on you know driving in Canada, it don't make no sense.
Oh, yeah.
And sometimes I come from work and I feel tired. Me
What is that thing?
yeah, me can't drive up and down with her. So she need to start the driving so we can get some relaxation, you know? So
You just start.
So Rashida, you have the pressure. You need to start driving.
Don't know
Yeah. So say
Yeah.
yes, you will start driving.
Yes, I will
Start on the
start
local
driving.
thing. Start on the local thing. You know, go highway.
Yeah,
Start local, you know, go highway.
for real.
And when you start the local now, you say yes, now build up my confidence. Then Jamaica come over the
No,
highway
even
now.
take her in a time
What
when it
the
comes. Remember, say she do her driving test and pass, you know. So I just she familiarize herself, right? She just needs some familiarization, and that's it. Once she touch the road 2 times, she good to go because she passed her driving test. She have her G,
Right.
she have her G license, you know, not G2. She have a G license in Canada, so she can drive. She just play her own. So starting this week, she will start drive.
Start build yourself trashy.
But me
You
know
know
me
why
check-
you're a journalist, don't know nothing.
I know why she coward to still. I made a little bit coward at first because you see through the whole insurance situation and when you're in an accident and so on, them triple up your bill, double up, triple up your
Stop having
insurance.
negativity.
Yeah, but me I say, come on now, you never go driving in Canada?
Confidence.
Yeah, so we reach Waterbury now. Anytime we leave out and there along the way, we give a shout up back.
Alright, all the best and safe journey.
Thank you.
Thanks, Auntie. We'll call you back.
Alright, all the best on your journey.
Alright, cool. Well, go on, the man favorite guy, man.
20. Act like me too.
Indeed, 20, indeed.
Hi, Nessa. Oh, I'm good. We have you on video.
Listen, Tone's son is like
Tone twist.
Ray.
It's been a while.
This new one, like, right
Get back
here.
down.
Yeah.
Sleeping.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I like that.
Jeez, I mess up. Well, go on, long time no see.
Hi, how are you?
Jeez, I'm peed. I'm gonna lift up our blood. Yo,
My little self.
yo.
You see me, I done shrink.
This our first lady make me put on a jacket in a foreign, guys. This a lady.
You know me and Ragga always
Yo.
talk about that.
Trust me.
When you came, I was back there throwing snowballs at the door. But I can't say that right now.
When I come out of the airport, me here. I mean, I said, blood clean.
Come here, we
That's
had
what
a
we said.
tunnel.
That's what we
over
said
the house.
then.
Oh,
It haven't been like that for a
he
while.
came before
I
Nick.
know. That's what I said. It's not
Oh.
like that. It's not like that no more.
In Waterbury it is.
It snowed, but it's not.
That's not that
It's
cold.
not like
That's why I
how-
come here
When,
cool enough.
when he came here, it snowed every 2 days when you was
Yeah.
here.
Tough.
Yeah, it might snow like once, twice.
Next I come with a big fur jacket, like an animal jacket. I mean, I said, man, I'm gonna need that.
You get the jacket. Then he was in the back ice skating.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
In the house.
In the house. Nobody want to go outside.
Right, backyard nice though. Show off our backyard. Jeez and peas. What are you doing in such a nice backyard?
It ain't finished.
You don't deserve this. What are you talking
Alright,
about?
come with the house.
Hmm?
Come with the house.
Nice though.
Thanks.
Nice. Guys,
I
me
get
and
it
Nessa they are
everywhere.
clubbing in New York.
Now
Nessa still going to clubs?
No?
I wouldn't have this house if I was in the club.
Sure.
Mm.
Nice house though. I like it.
Thanks.
We love the backyard though. Bro, Nessa me to come lay down and relax.
That's what we planned on doing.
This view is a super view. Like super view.
I gotta knock that tree down because the chipmunks don't eat out that tree. We
Okay.
got chipmunks, fox.
Chickmunks?
We even had, and we get the black bears come over here.
What you mean? Like real bear?
Let me come here, Raga, just a turn a teenager. Yeah. So
Not you met Raga in Jamaica,
no, I've never seen Raga in Jamaica.
Tony?
No.
No,
I don't think so.
cause you came. Who got married?
Venice and me did the dance over the
Yeah.
field. Sizzler there keep a party.
Raga was there.
Raga was there?
Yeah, Raga sure was.
For real? When
Raga-
Sizzler they keep the event across the road?
Yes, Raga got Sizzler thing there, and I took the picture with Sizzler.
Oh, so me
Yeah.
not remember that then.
Yeah, Raga was 9 years old.
Oh, and that was 20.
It was me, Raga, and Mika who come.
You know you're right though. You know you're right?
Yeah,
Because
Yeah,
that's true.
he was
That's true.
skinny.
That's true.
Yeah.
Guys, we're head out. We're head out. We can't stay no longer, right? It's been a good trip. Good visit. Yeah. Boy, we need to come back for like another week or so. Right? We need another week. Right, Rashi? We need another week. That's Jaden there. Sleepyhead, just sleeping all the way. Jaden don't remember anything. Sleepyhead.
Go back to sleep,
don't
dog.
remember that
Yeah.
part.
Auntie, you feel sad?
I don't want to hear nothing.
Let's say you have feel.
You miss Connecticut? Look a bit.
No. Well, I got
Anyhow, guys, we're out. We're going back on the road, alright? So see you when we
It's like Tylenol.
so reach.
Stronger than the Tylenol.
See that? No turn back.
Welcome to Canada.
Welcome to Canada. Yeah, it's a good feeling after a long drive to hear that sound. So now we're going through the toll. And then obviously you're gonna speak to some lovely people. Some amazing guys right now. Woo! So guys, it's very late in the night, but we just reach home, right? We just get a chance to come in. We reach from like after 10 or 9 o'clock there, after 9 there about, but we stop and grab some food. We're really tired, right? But trust me, it was an amazing trip. We have fun, full of laughter. We get a chance to see friends and families. We drive round in New York. We get a good experience.
Connecticut.
And it was definitely worth it. I'm not telling no lie. It really nice. It's just one thing. I think we didn't know New York. I mean, I know nothing about New York. New York big. Like really big. Like
And a lot of nice places too.
really big. And here we know about the bad things, but you have some good things about New York, and we're gonna give you a review. You don't know Connecticut, I'm a place. Away place right now, right?
Yeah.
Because my family them there Connecticut, but you don't know my marriage, it's a away place. But New York, I have some things about it where we observe on a trip here, and we're gonna share it with you during the next vlog, you know. Share the ups and downs, positive and negative, about New York and living in an urban space and so on. And here we saw the difference when we came back to Canada. There was a big difference, and I'm going to tell you about it. Zin?
Wanna stay tuned for that.
Boy, we're tired and mash up still, but you know.
Hungry.
Hungry, but you don't know the thing go, right? Big up Rashi and Wally vlogs straight. Or should I say, big up to all of the subscribers them out there. You don't know. Make Rashi something because me a chat
Like,
now.
share, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget that, you know. And someone will drop a comment in the comment section so me know no by name. More know no by name, you know. More know who in the family.
And
Right?
a live will come up, guys. Your sister, we're not doing a live. Family, was it 2 live we ever do?
I think the last one was your birthday.
Guys, the live session, them will come up, alright? So more on if you stay tuned now.
Trust me, guys, it's gonna be interesting.
And come participate.
That's gonna be interesting.
More want to participate because we're going to have some good topic and some good discussion. And for sure, Canada cooler than US for real. No joke, no joke.
Let them stay tuned for that review
No joke,
video.
no joke, guys. But anyhow, You don't know anything already, better head out, alright?
And to all my family, I'm just visit. I love you, and thanks
Yeah,
for
man.
making me have a wonderful time. And thank you for the legacy when we get. Guys, I left empty-handed and I came back with a shopping bag. Thank you, my family.
Yeah,
Thank
man.
you. I love it.
You love free stuff?
Yeah, I love the free stuff. I love the nice stuff. Big up my family. Them straight to give me legacy.
Hey guys, you get some nice stuff still. Me not get a gift now. Me get gift, but the food me get for my gift. Huh?
Guys, them love them Rashi. So I get
Yeah,
up my
man.
stuff.
Yeah, man,
But
yeah.
anyways, guys, big up on yourself.
Mm-hmm.
See you next time.
Yeah man, outside. We're out.